Hi, for the second assignment, I have chosen the topic the riddle of experience versus memory. Why I have chosen the topic, I will let you know in some time. So, according to Mr. Daniel Kahneman, people don't know how happy they are because happiness is so relative. When you're experiencing something, you only ever get to keep the memory of that experience. So, you always have two perspectives to consider when making a decision. You can optimize for the present self, which is called as the experiencing self, or you can optimize for the self that will take a look at the experience and keep a record, which is known as the remembering self. Now, depending on which perspective you are looking from, the decisions will be quite different. So, as Mr. Daniel Kahneman explains that these two selves are often in conflict because what is good for now might not be the best choice for the memory. For example, buying an expensive bag may be a great experience, but when it is over, the remembering self will take a look at the memory you have from that moment and assess whether the bag was worth the time and money for the purchase. If the experience was amazing, it is very likely you will be willing to buy another expensive bag. If it was not, the moment will be remembered as unsatisfactory and you will likely not find the bag as worthy or valuable as it was when you bought it. So this will be treated as a bad memory or and a bad experience which will likely affect you in the future and you might end up not buying any other expensive bag. So from this you can consider that the remembering self is more powerful because it makes the decisions for the experiencing self too. He also explains that not differentiating between these two conditions like the experiencing self and the remembering self has been the downfall of many behavioral studies. Now, the happiness of the experiencing self is dependent on how much that person enjoys the moments of their life. Conversely, the happiness of the remembering self is a measure of how good someone feels about their life when they look back on the memories they have created. Now, considering I can likely give you an example from my own life. I have bought a new phone recently. Not recently; it's been like a year and a half. Now, when I bought the phone, it was quite an amazing experience because at that point of time, it was like one of the flagship smartphones, and it had all the features that I required, and I was very happy with the experience. But after 6 to 7 months, when the phone got old and new phone trends came in, and you got a lot of choice. When I look back at that point of time from my memory, I do have an unsatisfactory feeling because I could have waited for another 4 to 5 months and I could have got a better phone. So, as per Mr. Daniel Kahneman said, we are always in a conflict between our two selves, the remembering self and the experiencing self. So, the best case scenario is that you are aware of these two selves and use that knowledge to weigh decisions based on your current or potential happiness. So, I guess that's all. Thank you very much. Have a good day.